Okay, last one. These are none of these are very easy. A lot involved in these, so hang in there. You know, work through all the way to the end. You do have enough skills to do it, but it just won't be easy. All right, so what we have is we have two different parks, and we're trying to decide which has a higher density of squirrels in their park. So the first thing we'll do is get the space, and then we'll divide how many squirrels by the space. All right, so let's start with Brockport. The Brockport Park, see how many square feet it has. Um, I'm not going to convert that. There's no reason to. So um, what it is simply a rectangle. Okay, area of a rectangle, length times width. Pretty simple, right? And they intended this portion to be simple because then it gets tricky on the next portion. Let me go see where my notes are on this one. Go ahead and type that in. It looked like 162. If I did this right, what is, yeah, 1629. 1629816 square feet. Okay, so that was pretty simple. Let's go ahead and get the density. The density for Brockport is going to be the squirrels over the square footage. So squirrels over square footage. All right, that's going to be how many in Brockport? Brockport had a count of 182. Over this, it's going to be a really small number. Probably wanted us to convert it to square miles, but I'm not going to do that. There's no need to. So it's four zeros. Whoops. Four zeros, 1117. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to compare that. We're going to take a look at that. That's the density of Brockport. We're going to compare it to Holly. Now this is where the problem gets a little more challenging. So what we have here is quite a bit of um, trickery here. So this rectangle right here, we don't even know what the height is. We don't know what the radius of this is, but there is this. Even though they don't say that's the diameter of this semicircle. Okay, so if the diameter, you had to interpret that yourself, is 60, 64, well then the radius is half of that, 30, 32. Okay, so if the radius and going out to here is 30, 32, well that actually gives us two pieces of information. Okay, so if the whole thing's 5167, we get this height. We're simply going to take 5167 and subtract 3032. And when we do that, what do we get? 2135. Okay, so 2135 feet. All right, so we've got the rectangle, and then we've got a half circle. So let's just be careful of that, right? So the rectangle is pretty simple. The area that we're going to get is, so yeah, we're going to go with a length of 6064 and a width of 2135 for a grand total of 129 uh, for 6640, right? For 6640. Okay, half circle first, a full circle, area is pi r squared. Let's do that. Then we'll go and cut that in half. So we've got a pi r squared, so pi times 30, 32 squared. Pretty good number there, 2888, 3/8, and 0736 with some stuff after it. Half of the circle, let's not forget to do half of that. That's going to give us, is that 144,0368? There's some more after that too, but that's good enough. So the total area for, um, let's see, what are we at? Holly? Yeah, Holly Park. Okay, that's going to just add those two. So 1294 Okay, that's giving us a total of 273,87008 square feet. Okay, now we got the density. So the density for Holly, what are we looking at here? It looks like 368 squirrels over the course of 27,387,008 square feet. Okay. When I did this, I ended up with, again, 4 zeros with a 1344. Now, comparing the two, this is a little bit smaller. Okay, this one's a little bit larger, so it looks like Holly does have the greater population of squirrel, higher density of squirrels. Okay, so the answer is going to be the Holly Park has the higher density of squirrels in their park. Okay, so there it is. That's it for this review packet, and good luck.